Hello students. So ninth class mathematics exercise 1.3 in that main question number 8. Find three different irrational numbers between the rational numbers 5 divided by 7 and 9 divided by 11. Okay. Solution for that. So here they are asking write three different irrational numbers between the given 5 divided by 7 and 9 divided by 11. So first we have to take the decimal expansion of these both. So 9 divided by 11 and 5 divided by 7. Here in rough work already we know how to solve this one by division method. So here 5 is less than 7, that's why decimal point it becomes 0. 7 sevens are, it is 49, remainder 1, next it becomes 10. So 1s are 7, remainder is 3, it becomes 30. So 7 4s are 28, remainder is 2, it becomes 20. Next 7 2s are 14, it becomes 6, 60. Next 7 8s are 56, remainder is 4, it becomes 40. And next 7 5s are 35, remainder is 5. Check here, we started with 5 and here once again 5, so it should be repeat. Division form is repeat once again, that's why it becomes the repetition, that is nothing but recurring. So here decimal expansion should be 0.71428 and it's the repetition, that is recurring. Okay, here in the same way, here 9 divide with 11. So here decimal point it becomes 90. So 8s are 11 8s are 88, remainder is 2, once again it becomes 20. So 11 1s are 11, so remainder is 9. Check here, we started with 9 and remainder is 9, so 81 is continue, so it becomes here 0.81 continue recurring term. Okay, so here now we are writing in between the numbers, so therefore the required three numbers are so you can take in between numbers 0.71 and 0.81, so in between this number. Okay, so take any number, so I am taking 0.73 0 73 00 73 000, continue. Okay, this is irrational number. Next 0 point, I am taking once again 0.76 0 76 00 76 000 and continue. Take 790 79 00 79 000, continue like this. Okay, these are the three irrational numbers present in between 5 divided by 7 and 9 divided by 11. Okay, you can take any other number also, that is 0.8 80, 800, 8000, like this. Okay, so this is the required solution for this question. Next you have to move question number 9. So here in question number 9, asking that classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Rational or irrational. Okay, so here Roman 1, the given is square root 23. Okay, so here square root 23 is not a perfect number, perfect square root number. Okay, so for example here square root of 25 is equal to 5. This is a perfect square number. Square root of 16 is equal to 4, perfect square root number. But 23 is not a perfect square root number. So here root having prime number. So root having prime numbers. If root having prime number, then automatically that number becomes irrational number. Okay, this is irrational number. Please confirm here. Under the square root, if the number present is prime number, then that number becomes irrational number. Okay, Roman 2. Here square root of 225, this is the perfect square, so this is equal to 15. Okay, this is equal to 15. That's why this is rational number. This is rational number. Roman 3. So here 0.3796. Okay, decimal expansion is given. Decimal expansion given, and the decimal expansion should be terminating. So if the decimal expansion is terminating, then this becomes rational number. This is becomes rational number. Okay, next Roman 4, check it out here. 7.478. Okay, 478 repeating, 478, 478. So 478 repeating here. So that's why this is a rational number. So why it is rational number? Because decimal expansion is recurring, it is repeating. That's why it is a rational number. Roman 5. So here check 1.10, 100, 100, 1 4 times 0, next one it's continue. Okay, here 0, sorry, 10, 100, 100, so it continues. So this becomes irrational number. Irrational number. Why? Because decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-recurring, because it means there is no repetition of decimal expansion. Okay, here the first one irrational number and the second one rational number, third one rational number, fourth it is also rational number, and the fifth one, that is irrational number. Okay, why the given question is rational or irrational, you just clarify once again. Okay, so here under the square root, if the prime number present, it becomes irrational number. Here the perfect square number, it becomes rational. Here in main question in Roman 3, decimal expansion is terminating, that's why it is rational number. Here in fourth question, decimal expansion is repeating, so it is rational. So in last question, Roman 5, non-terminating with non-recurring terms or digits present, so it becomes irrational number. Okay, I think you understand well. Okay, thank you.